Welcome back. This is Michael Lee Joshua from Easy Ass Marketing. This is a bonus training to the only WordPress tutorial you will ever need. When we built the Facebook widget on the website, if you do not have a fan page, this is a short training to show you how quickly you can get a fan page up and get it completely built up in Facebook. So first of all, on the left-hand sidebar, when you're looking at Facebook, there is a section called Pages and a Create Page button right here. Just click that Create Page. Now you need to choose what type of page. You might have a local business or something that you're getting ready to build a fan page for. Most of the fan pages that I build are community or cause because I'm building up a fan page of people who like certain things. So if I have a page called I Love Pit Bulls, it's simply a community page. So I'm checking community right here. The next box that pops up lets you name your page. Just put a page name in here. If you want I Love Pit Bulls, I Love Poodles. If you want something like that, just put it in there and then click Get Started. The next thing you're going to see is this pop up where they want you to put a description of what your page is going to be doing, what your focus is. And since you are building this in conjunction with the website in the tutorial, go ahead and put the URL for your website right here. And then click Save Info. That will take you to this next pop-up screen. This is the profile picture. On the Facebook page, there's a little square image that shows up on the left-hand side toward the bottom of the cover, and that is your profile pic. So it needs to be 180 pixels by 180 pixels, and you just click the Upload from Computer. That's going to open the dialog box for you to select your image from your computer. And then once you select it, it will show you right here that it uploaded just fine. See, I just used my logo and it uploaded because it filled in the box. If it's the wrong size or for some reason they can't load it in the box will stay empty. It'll still be the flag. So once you get this here, click Next. You can move on to the next screen. This one wants to know if you want to add this fan page to your favorites. There is a list of favorites in the left-hand sidebar where we were looking earlier, where I showed you to grab the Create Page button. There's a list of favorites, and if you want this in your favorites so that you can always find it, you can certainly select Add to Favorites here. Click that button if that's what you want to do. If you don't, just click Skip, and you'll be ready to go to the next screen. Now Facebook wants you to help them set up your audience preferences. Now I don't do this because I might be selling a product this week that appeals to 20 to 30-year-olds. Next week I might be selling something that is more for a 40 to 55-year-old market. So I don't let Facebook hone in on my target on the page level. I do that in my advertising. However, if you're selling something, say you're selling women's shoes, then you might want to pick women 23 to 32 or something. You might have a specific demographic. I generally do not, so I don't save anything here. If you want to, you can certainly make your choices and save. In my case, I'm going to skip it. Now you're going to get a bunch of Facebook pop-ups. They're going to try to teach you how to get around on your page, so you just have to go through these. They won't let you avoid them. So here's the first one that just says we want to show you how to get around your page. Just click Next. Here's another one. They want to know, do you want to like your page? Now this is something you need to think about. If you're selling stuff to pit bull lovers and people know that you don't have a pit bull, you have a poodle, then maybe you don't want to like your own page, because eventually it's going to dawn on somebody in your feed when stuff starts hitting your feed and then your friends see it. They're going to wonder why you're getting so much pitbull stuff. So that's just one example. There are a lot of reasons why you would not want to like your page. Maybe you just don't want all your friends to know the things that you are promoting. So not that there's anything, innocuous. They may be perfectly innocuous, but you just don't want them to know. So make a decision here and click Skip when you're done if you don't want to like it. Then now, do you want to invite your friends? Again, this is another thing you just want to think about your market. Are your friends going to be interested? In my case of the Easy Ass Marketing fan page, I could certainly invite my friends. For a t-shirt about pit bulls, I probably wouldn't. So it just depends. Think about who your friends are and whether or not they would be interested. And click next. Now they just want to continue showing you your way around a page. Over here is a snapshot of what's going on this week. So you can always just look right here and see how many new likes you've got and that kind of thing. So it's kind of a handy thing. Now, one more pop-up. I think this is the last one. This one wants to know if you want to invite your email contacts. I don't have an email list that is connected with Facebook, so I don't know if that's how this has to work. So if you've got an email list and you want to use it, then I would, take a look at this. You just have to click up in this box to make that work. So I'm going to again click next. Now this is what my page is looking like. I need to add a Facebook cover because you want a cover on your Facebook page. Now the cover for Facebook needs to be 851 pixels by 315 pixels. That's the perfect size. And you can get it done on Fiverr. If you've got something that you really like to use as your cover, you can kick that over to a provider on Fiverr, and for $5 they will make you a decent Facebook cover. So that's completely up to you. So we're going to click add a cover right now. And then I just uploaded my Facebook cover from my actual Easy Ask Marketing fan page. So I've uploaded it, and then I'll click Save Changes. And here we go. This is what this new fan page looks like right now. It has the cover. This is the profile pic. It has the information here. If you want to put in a call to action, there's how you do it. There's how you like it. There's if you want to message somebody. This is the name, new fan page. Remember, that's what I named it, and it is a community. So now you can go into here and just start adding content or images or whatever it is that you would like to promote for your fan page. So it's pretty easy, huh? Now you need to grab the URL up here in the address bar. Grab the URL, everything in front of the question mark. There's a question mark and usually a lot of other characters behind it. You don't need that. You only need the URL for your page, and copy that onto your notepad or into a doc or something right there on your desktop, and then you can go back to the Facebook widget and take care of that piece. So this is Michael Lee Joshua. Thanks for coming along, and I hope this was helpful.